Hey guys, it's Justin with Integrity Roofing and Exteriors. Today I'm out here in Murray, Kentucky on a home. As I was doing my ground level inspection, like we do all of our inspections, I was noticing that there's no type of soffit vent or anything like that. So as I was getting up on the roof, I checked to see if there was any eave vent. There was none. So right here is where you're supposed to see any type of static vents, or even a ridge vent would be nice. But as you can see, there's zero. So like our bodies, our roof needs to breathe. So there needs to be intake and outtake. So usually the soffit vents or an eave vent is your intake. That's the breathing in. And then your ridge vent or your static box vents, turtle vents, whirlybirds, whatever, that's the exhale. So your roof needs to breathe to operate properly. And this one is cooked. When you're choosing your roofing contractor, if they don't go over the correct ventilation for your home, the intake and exhaust for your roof, then they're not the right roofing contractor for you. And I can guarantee at Integrity Roofing, we're gonna get up in your attic. We're gonna check for proper ventilation. We're not just selling you a roof, we're selling you a roofing system. Guys, you deserve way better than this. Please call Integrity.